With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So class, for welding of two metallic pieces, oxyhydrogen flame is used. So oxyhydrogen flame is a mixture of oxygen plus hydrogen. These gases are very combustible gases, highly combustible gases. So together this fuel consists of this mixture of oxygen and hydrogen, and this flame can attain a temperature of 2500 degrees Celsius. This flame can attain up to 2500 degrees Celsius. That is very huge, and hence it is able to melt metals, easily.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.